etwo ejijimo nsemu ma Ghana adwumako a yede sa adwumadie no ahye ne say Ghana Revenue Authority na ne fan ye friend say Customs Division no COVID-19 ti ene wo mu twato mu a se braso ya wo mu aye nhyiamude ahronkokra e wo tema na we no na first joint consultative committee forum ene course no no ena nkobotwetwe ni mama akohu ne se wo mo ye nsatraye e wo my Ghana ye mbra no fa baabi na tax stamp ya wo kra ne ma de bo mayi mu kwa na braso se wo mo satre mu nchiemu to aso.
Introduce the Excise Tax Stamp or the Excise Duty Amendment Act 2023 at 1093 that introduces that amendment has actually replaced the fair schedule attached to the existing Excise Duty Act 2014 at 878, and so now we have a fair schedule. That is the amendment to the excise duty law that has replaced the previous schedule. And what the new schedule has done is to introduce, first and foremost, new products into the excise duty regime. It has also increased the rates for excise duty for some of the products. And it has also changed the charging method for some of the products.
For us, the JCC is the solution center. That's where any problem within our space is solved. From here, we'll break into committees where there's issues and the problems that have been raised will be taken care of. Every single day you realize that the processes within the port keeps changing and no adequate information is given. So again, we have, it's come to everybody's notice that a proper work plan, which is already in the system, be communicated so people are able to know that what they have to expect within the port community.